Alrighty there, you can see that after about 45 minutes the Cornish hens and the chicken is already turning brown. I'm going to use my mop sauce here, and I'm going to go ahead and lightly coat them. Right there. Just coat them again with the mop sauce. Make sure make a nice golden dark color on them and on the bird. And I'll get the chicken here, the big chicken. You can hear those coals and you can see that apple and the hickory. Smoking it very well. And probably making a mess with this mop sauce on the ground, but I don't care. Kind of videotaping here on my own. And just coating that bird. And then we're going to sit here and put the lid on it. As you can see, the ideal meter, the warm meter is on ideal. Then I'm going to sit here and check my coals and throw a little bit more hickory chips in there. I got my hickory chips, which I'm using just small hickory chips. Just throw a few in there into the coals. And get those hickory flavor going in there really good. Barely, just give it a little bit of air, breathing room. Do about a crack in it, and that's it.